Hey, what's going on? Been having a problem with my 2017 Malibu. When I haven't drove it for about 3 days, and trying to start it up, it's making a sound, a clicking sound. It's a 2017 Malibu LT. This is the noise that it's making, and it's just sounds like when I did some research on YouTube, they said it might be the starter going out. So after doing some more research and calling around, I was told maybe I might have a battery problem. Battery probably just went bad. So here I, just to went to verify it. That's my bad. So I got me a voltmeter. I set it on 12 volt, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this here. All right, let me try to stick this somewhere where I could use one hand. When I put it on the voltmeter, it's reading 9.76, so that lets me know that it's not the starter. Just because it's clicking, that don't mean nothing. It's showing it's the battery. I check all the fuses with the light meter, and all the fuses are good. It's not the starter. So I found out it was the battery. So here I'm gonna show. Let me just bear with me just a few minutes. I'm gonna put my jumper on it, and it's gonna show that. Take my jumper, put my jumper. I had to remove the cap. They had a cap right here and a cover right here. So I removed the cap. But since I can't really get a good connection right here with my jumper, I have to put it on this thing right here. This is, goes like this here. My clamp is not too good, so I got a space in there, even though I haven't even squeezed it yet. So I have to put it to the side and kind of squeeze it against the plastic. Put it on the side. Turn on my jumper. Here. Let me see. Okay. All right. I haven't. Let me go fix the jumper just a little bit more. This is it. Start it up. It's not the starter. It's just the battery. I never thought that the battery would have just go dead by just sitting for 3 days, but I guess maybe the cell went bad. Part of the cell went bad, or what? Something, I'm not sure. But that's it. All right. Hope this helps.